What's up everybody, this is Tech Ideas channel. Today I'm gonna be showing you the most powerful 3 video editing software as 2018. First one in the list, it's a program called Shotcut Video Editor and it comes for both Windows and Mac. For beginners, it's a very good video editing software, I highly recommend it. So let me give you a quick recap how this works. The first thing you're gonna do is importing your videos files. Choose your media and all you have to do to put it in the timeline, drag it like that. Simple as that. Also, you can zoom in or out to check up your video frame by frame if you want, especially if you're doing a lot of trimming. So what I'm gonna do now is cutting the video right here by clicking at the slice tool, and deleting that by clicking at the right mouse button, then choose delete. Drag it like that, zoom in, and let's see what we have here. Next thing I'm gonna do is adding text to a part of my video. All I have to do is clicking at the slice tool, select it and click at the plus in the left corner above. Scroll down, then choose text. So as you see in the left corner here, there is a bunch of adjustment you can add to your text. Size, depth, changing color, etc. Not bad, I guess. Also guys, there is a ton of effects, like adjust the light of the video if you find it a little bit dimmer or so, color adjustment, fade in or out of the video and audio tracks. It had really cool features that you can play with. And when you finish and you want to export your project, all you have to do is click above at the right corner at the export button, choose your video format and you're good to go. The second video editor, it calls Lightworks. It's also completely free and highly recommended, especially for beginners. To start your project, click at create a new project, give it a name, choose your video format, then click OK. Now import your video file by clicking at the local file above, double click on the video and boom. Now in the video, make an in and out point to select the part of the video you want to add to the timeline. To start editing by clicking at the left and right blue arrow, then click at the head down arrow to put your video in timeline. Let's add text to this intro by clicking I then O to select the part that we want to make text in, then click the VFX button above. At the left corner above, click at the plus button, then click text. After typing your text, there is a bunch of adjustments that you can add, like size, making shadow, adding color, typing effects, and so many other things. So what I'm gonna show you now guys, it's how to add your audio files or music to this video. In timeline there is a V1 for video and A1 for audio. All we have to do is to click at the V1 to disable the video track, then we drag the audio file away. First we make an in and out point, then we choose the audio file we wanna add. Let's make another in and out point in the audio file, then we click the head down arrow to make it in the timeline. So another thing we can do is to adjust the colors of the video to give it that cool and spicy look. To do that we have to go back to VFX, then plus button in the left right corner, we choose color, then color correction. Now to save your project you just click the mouse right button, then export, then YouTube, name your project and you're good to go. The last one and number one on this list is a program called Hitfin for Express. It's free and you can do a bunch of stuff with, like editing, visual effects, audio, color grading. It's like all in one. So the first thing you wanna do is create a new project. Now it takes us to a new project tab. Then configure your project settings and click start editing. Click at the media panel at the left corner, then choose import to import your media files. And drag your files to the media panel like that, or you can just click on it and it goes automatically. And to put it in timeline you simply drag it like that. You can also zoom in or out through your video from the bottom right here. Let's add another video in the timeline and see how they will fit in. Cool, but I'm gonna add some effects to it. So let's go to the media panel and choose effects. Then we search for video transitions. As you can see here, there is a ton of video effects. That's a lot better, I guess. So let's put another video in timeline. And put another video transition effect to it also. Another thing I want to show you guys is how to cut audio file without cutting video file with it. Just click at the slice tool, then cut the part you want. Click at the mouse right button, search for unlink, then click delete. It's a very simple process. So last and not least, it's how to add text to a video. To do that, go to the media panel, click at the plus in a new panel there, then composite shot. Now draw a box in the area when you wanna add text in, and you can just start typing. So when you finish your text, just click at the editor panel just below your media files. Then drag the text from your media panel to any area in timeline that you want. And when you are ready to export, click at the film icon in the toolbar. So this is all I got for you guys. If you found the video useful, please like or subscribe. See ya.